Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I'm going to talk about some most popular web browser like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, YouTube browser and Opera Mini. So what is their good side and what is their bad side and which browser is best suitable for you and best for you, in this video I'm going to discuss about. So without wasting your time, let's start this video. First I'm going to talk about the Chrome the speed demon. Good side. Speed, renowned for its fast and loading times and smooth performance. Sync, seamlessly syncs data across devices. Extensions, vast ecosystem of extensions for customization. Integration, deep integration with Google services. Bad side, resources intensive, can consume significant system resources. Privacy concern, data collections practice have raised some eyebrows. Firefox, the privacy champion. Good side. Privacy, strong emphasis on user privacy and data protection. Customization, highly customizable interface. Advanced, extension collection of advanced for enhanced functionality. Open source, community driven development and transparency. Bad side, performance can be slower than Chrome in some cases. Resource usage might be less efficient than Chrome. Safari, the Apple ecosystem darling. Good side. Speed, optimized for Apple devices, offering fast performance. Integration, seamless integration with Apple ecosystem. Privacy, built-in privacy features. Design, clean and intuitive interface. Bad side, limited platform, exclusively available on Apple devices. Fewer extensions, smaller ecosystem of extensions compared to Chrome and Firefox. UC browser, the data saver. Good side, data compression, effective data saving features for slow connections. Offline reading, allows saving pages for offline access. Inbuilt features, offer additional features like video downloads and news feeds. Bad side, privacy concerns, history of adware and privacy issues. Performance, can be slower than other browsers. Bloatware, includes unnecessary features that can slow down the browser. Opera Mini, the mobile data champ. Good side, data compression, excellent data sharing capabilities for mobile users. Speed, optimized for slow networks. Features, offers features like ad blocking and night mode. Bad sides, limited features. Compared to desktop browser, it lacks some advanced features. Interface, simpler interface might not be appeal to all users. So guys, which browser you think is perfect for you? Let me know in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you learned something new, then subscribe this channel for more upcoming interesting videos.